If you already have a website or you want to create a website and you want that your website is serving your purpose and your website is the best website, then you need to add few call to action. Live chat widget is one of them. Suppose someone browsing your website and they have some questions, they want to communicate with you, they can communicate with you using different method. Live chat widget is the most important and most effective way to communicate with you. You can create live chat widget using different plugins or different paid tools. Using GoHighLevel, you can create the live chat widget without any pay and you can create the automation around it. So I will create the live chat widget first, then I will create the automation. What kind of automation it will be? If someone communicate through your live chat widget, then it will automatically send a notification to your GoHighLevel conversion tab. After that, I will create a automation. With that automation, you can send a customized email or SMS. You can send a booking calendar link and others follow-ups. This is our website and this is the live chat widget I was talking about. So let's create the chat widget first. So if I want to click a new one, then you can create all these kind of chat widget like all-in-one, SMS or email chat, live chat and WhatsApp. So let's create the all-in-one. It is live chat, live SMS. You can change this picture. You can change the text, chat window, all the things is built in. So you can create the chat widget as per your requirement with all the customization. Suppose someone contacted us using our chat widget, then send a message. It will send a automatic message. What I already said this message when I was creating the chat widget. Also, I will receive simple notification in the conversion tab. So let's go to there. So you can see in the conversion tab, I receive a message from chat widget that name, phone number, email and the message. After that, you can see that a automated message is sent to the customer. That is the automation I will create using workflow. So let's create the workflow. So from the automation, you can see I already created the chat widget automation. So let's check how I created this one. As like every other automation, this one also starts with a trigger, and this time the trigger is customer replied. And I had to choose from where customer is replied. I selected reply channel as chat widget. Then I send an internal notification to all my team members that someone communicate. The assigned person will respond to that customer as soon as possible. You can see the internal notification. It will send to all my user who have access to my GoHighLevel as a worker, as a admin. All of them will receive this notification, like with the name, phone number and email. After that, this workflow will send another email. This will be the email like, thanks for contacting us eMartIT, your inquiry is important. This will be the message. Thanks for reaching out to eMartIT. We also provide a customized appointment booking link. We want customer make a schedule. When we crack that schedule, then we can convince them. That's how if anyone contact using live chat widget, you can send them a customized message. You can send them a notification message. Also, with this way, if thousands of customer is communicate with you, none of your customer is going to be missed out. If you want to create this kind of automation, then please let us know. You can always reach out to us info@emartit.com. We are looking forward to work with you. Thank you.